In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a document on your Wix website. So for that, all you need to do is basically sign in on Wix, then go to Site Actions, and then click on Edit Site, which will send you over to the Wix editor. Once you're here, you can click on Add right there. So click on the Add button, then click on Search, and then you want to search for a document. And then right there, they'll show you an upload button. So that's not what you're looking for, but right there we have document buttons. So this is where you can add those. So you can add a Word file, you can add an Excel file, PowerPoint, PDF, all of these. So basically all you need to do is select one of those. Let me click right there. Let's say I want to go with Word. I then click on it, and then let's see, there we go. I can then click on upload media, upload from PC for example. Let me go over to some downloads. For example, this Word file, you then upload it. You just gotta wait for it to upload. Click on add to page, and there we go. We've just uploaded a Word document, for example, on our website. People can then click it and open the file that we've added. And that's how you can add a document on your Wix website. If this video helps you out, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like and let me know if you have any questions, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.